What's up guys, and welcome back to the Generation Works YouTube channel. And today I'm going to be installing some beadlocks on my 2001 Raptor 660R. I'm going to show you here. This is I picked up some of these Team Alba beadlocks. I went ahead and got white, but comes with the ring, and then of course the black rim part, and then all the hardware to install it. And then the tires I'm going to be mounting, I got CST Pulse ATV tires. They're supposed to be, they have really good reviews, and supposed to be one of the best, because as you can see, these tires are about shot, and I kind of want that. I like that beadlock look. Last year I put beadlocks on the front of it, and I really like the way they look, and they just perform better. So yeah, I'm gonna set you guys up on a time lapse, and we're gonna see what we can get done today. Also, before I put you down, show you the tools. You'll need a torque wrench for torquing down all the bolts on the beadlock, some soap or some sort of soapy water or something to put around the tire to help slip the rim on, and then of course ratchet and sockets. But other than that, it's a pretty simple job, and I'll show you the finished product when I'm done. Alright guys, welcome back from that time lapse. I have the beadlocks finally mounted, and they look amazing. I love the way they look. It gives it that cross-country kind of style look. I just love the way the beadlocks look. I was contemplating on going with black and black, but I kind of wanted something to change it up, and I think it goes really well with the blue. I just think it looks great, but it was super easy to do. You just got to make sure you put soap or WD-40 or something to make those tires slip onto the rims, and then when you're airing them up to get that back bead to set, I just took an old propane tank, put a blanket over it to protect the rim, started putting air in it, and just push on that the wall of the tire, and it pushes that bead on and makes the bead set. And when you get a bunch of air in it, it just kind of you'll hear it pop, and that's when you know the bead's set. And then you can air them down to whatever pressure you want. But other than that, it was super easy. You just got to make sure you torque the bolts to the right. All these bolts to the right spec. I think they didn't have it in the box. If you do order them, I think it was 8 foot-pounds. They say to do 4 foot-pounds, then go around and do 8 foot-pounds. Well, I just went around and did 8 foot-pounds twice, and everything worked out fine for me. All the products I use will be linked in the description. Thank you guys for watching Generation Works, and I'll see you next time. Peace.